Hello and welcome to Skincare Simplified. My name is Nipun, your skincare bestie, now a certified skincare consultant. Today we're shooting in my bathroom again because I'm going to give you my anti-aging nighttime skincare routine. Before we get started, let me remind you, subscribe to the channel. We have an exciting giveaway going on. 2 of my YouTube subscribers are going to win skincare products worth 500 dirhams or 10,000 rupees. So there will be questions that will appear on the screen throughout this video. Remember to give me your answer in the comments below. Now let's get started. Let me tell you first things first, my skincare routine is not the same every single day. So I usually like to exfoliate 1, maximum 2 times a week. I like to use my retinol and peptides 3 to 4 times a week, and on some days I go completely active free and just give my skin time to recuperate and sort of balance out its natural barrier. Today is the anti-aging skincare routine. It has changed a bit in the last couple of months because I have started combining 2 really powerful ingredients. Number 1, retinol. That's always been there. And number 2 is peptides. So I'm going to show you what this routine looks like. Now, before we get started with anything, you know I always talk about double cleansing. So let me show you how I double cleanse. I do have a little bit of makeup, sunscreen, whatever, little mascara, kajal in my eyes. So we're first going to double cleanse. I like to use a cleansing balm. You can use any one. I'm using the one by Elemis. This is the Pro Collagen Cleansing Balm. Remember, whatever cleansing balm you have or a cleansing oil, it needs to go directly onto dry skin. You do not put it on wet skin. It goes onto dry skin and you will just massage it really well. So I'm obviously going to use this to remove my eye makeup, massage it, take it onto my neck as well, behind my neck, like literally everywhere, because I have sunscreen everywhere. Next, you just need to add a little bit of water on the palm of your hands and then just sort of massage this process and just give yourself a nice massage. So when you add a little water, this becomes a nice milky texture and it is so much easier to sort of remove all your makeup and whatever else. Okay, I'm just going to wash it off. So cleanse number 1 is complete. Now at this point you need to go in with your second cleanser. Now this can be any cleanser, depends on your skin type. It can be foaming, it can be creamy, it can be whatever. I've been facing a little bit of a hormonal acne situation. So the cleanser that I'm using at night nowadays is the one with benzoyl peroxide. Let me show it to you. So this is the cleanser that I've been using. This is a cleanser that I recommend in a lot of my videos specifically for acne. This is Panoxyl 10% benzoyl peroxide acne foaming cleanser. It is really strong, so I just need a little bit, and just like a regular cleanser, I'm going to massage it really well. Now because this is also an acne treatment for me, I am going to at least massage it on my face for at least a minute. So my face is clean, I've patted it dry. The first step before anything is actually my eyelash serum. So you guys know how much I love Rapid Lash. I swear by it, have been using it since I believe February or March. Amazing results. Now this needs to go onto your lashes before any skincare. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to apply this on my lash line. I can't really do it properly on camera. Let me just apply it and come back. So I've got my Rapid Lash on my upper lashes. I don't really apply it on my lower lashes. You can, of course. Just remember that this goes onto the lash band right here. Not on top of the eyelid, not under, just on top of the lash band. So just give it like a minute, let it like all dry out, and then I start with my actual skincare routine. The 2 steps that we're going to get started with are toner and essence, and I need my face to be a little damp because I waited for the lash serum to dry out. My face has become dry, so I'm just going to spray a little bit of water like so, and then I'm going to go 3, which is toner. So I'm just using my rice toner. You've seen it in my videos. The deal with the toner is you don't need a lot of it. You don't need to use it if you don't want to. I already mentioned that in my morning skincare routine. I like to use it because I believe it lends to better absorption of the products that are going to come after. This one is really hydrating for my dry skin. absolutely love it. You don't need to use a cotton pad, you can just take it directly on your hand. Don't waste the product. So my step 3 is toner. Because I'm going to be using a retinoid, which is retinoid, I want to like really hydrate my face first. So ideally I should be using a hyaluronic acid serum, but I'm actually going in with my Snail Mucin essence because this is an anti-aging miracle. It's a 2-in-1 product. It has hyaluronic acid. It also has Snail Mucin. This is amazing for inflamed skin, acne marks, anti-aging in general. So I'm just going to layer that all out on my face, and then we're going to go in with a very, very important product which is key to this routine. Star number 1 of this show is my peptide. This is Matrixyl 3000 in HA. This is a very, very powerful peptide, and this perhaps is the only peptide that you can actually layer with your retinol. You don't need too much of it, like 2 drops, good enough, and just massage it onto your face. I like to take it under my eyes. Definitely take it on my forehead because that's where the lines are forming, on my neck. You can basically apply it everywhere. Adding a peptide to your anti-aging skincare routine really gives it a power boost because your retinol or your retinoid is basically enhancing skin cell turnover and helping with fine lines and wrinkles, but the peptide actually helps with the elasticity and the firmness of your skin. All that skin that's kind of sagging down, it lifts and plumps it. So this is what makes this routine really good. Next step, completely optional, but I am going to use my Guerlain Watery Oil Serum because I need hydration, and this is my favorite serum of all times. Again, you don't need like a lot of it. I'm on my 3rd bottle. I've already purchased a new one. I love this serum. So I took a little more because you need like 1 little dropper is not enough. I need a little more, and I'm just going to massage it all over my skin, my neck, and this is where I like to even like massage my product, do all of this. Now at this point, after this I'm going to go in with my retinol, but my skin needs to be dry and all of this product that I have already applied needs to soak in. So at this point I give myself 5 minutes, I just chill, and then I go in with my retinoid. So while I'm waiting, let me apply my eye cream. I'm taking the one by Boots. This is the Retinol eye cream. At night, I like to use the Retinol eye cream. During the day, you've seen I usually use my vitamin C eye cream. But at night, especially on the nights when I am using a retinol, I like to use my Retinol eye cream. It's been about 5 minutes. Now I'm going to go in with my retinoid. So I'm using tretinoin 0.025%. You can at this point use your retinol based cream, your retinol based serum, whatever. So I'm just going to go ahead with my tretinoin, and oops, I got a little extra. For the purpose of demonstration, I need to show you only the amount you need to apply, which is literally, this is gonna get wasted. Okay, so you just need a pea-size amount, and this is all you need. It's spread out a little bit, but all you need is this. Just dot it all over your face. Don't forget your neck. Neck's important. And then just massage it in gently. Remember, you don't need to rub your retinol or your retinoid. You can just be very gentle with it, like so. This is it. Very, very simple. Avoid a few areas. So avoid the area under your eye, the sides of your mouth, the sides of your nose. This can get really dry. So make sure you directly don't apply retinol or tretinoin on those areas. Now we're coming to the last step, and that is face cream. But remember, before you apply your face cream, you have to wait for at least 5 to 7 minutes. Allow your retinol to get absorbed completely. You can use any face cream. I'm using the one from Tatcha, good old Nivea, any cream, it doesn't matter. And that will complete your nighttime skincare routine. This is a super powerful anti-aging nighttime skincare routine. And with that last step, it's a wrap. Thank you so much for watching. This is a super powerful anti-aging routine. This is what I do 3 to 4 times a week. On the other nights, I exfoliate or I just hydrate, and I will be sharing videos on that as well. Remember to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification bell. I make new videos every Sunday, Wednesday, and Friday now. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.